This is a quick video to show you how to make a tonal value scale. This value scale was devised in 1907 by an American professor of art, Denman Ross. A value scale is a way of describing how the tones change between black and white, the black tones being the shadows and the white tones being the highlights. You can buy these on Amazon, but I quite like making my own. All you need is a pencil and a piece of paper, that's it. Take a long thin strip of paper and number it 1 to 9. Create different tones in each of the boxes. 9, you need to press the hardest and then press lighter and lighter each time you go down the numbers. Use a pair of scissors like this to cut through the 9 different values you've created. This makes it easier to test next to the tones on your drawing. You can now use the 9 different tones to match up to any tones on your pictures. This will help you to identify the different tones on each part of your drawing. You could use a colouring pencil. It's easy to get the different tones in colouring pencil, but it's not so very easy to rub out if you make a mistake. If you have any other sketching pencils, like a H or a B or a 2B, you can try and use these to create some different tonal scales and see the differences in the dark tones, mid-tones and light tones that you can create. This is my example of doing this with some different sketching pencils. Why don't you have a go at making your own?